This is the brief on the forensic audit of the whole Bob Lazar and Area 51 mythos. Okay, so we're diving into this report called the Lazar Protocol. It basically audits those wild claims from 1989 by Bob Lazar, the guy who put Area 51 on the map. And the report's conclusion? It's pretty stunning. Lazar's whole story about alien tech was likely a really clever fabrication, a smokescreen to hide actual secret projects happening at Groom Lake, like the F-117 Nighthawk. First off, the science. Lazar's core claim just completely collapses. He said the government had 500 pounds of a stable element 115 to power these ships. But here's the thing. When we finally synthesized that element in 2003, it's called muscovium now. Its most stable version has a half-life of less than a second. So there's no way you can machine a fuel source out of something that disappears that fast. It just doesn't work. Second, let's talk about the location he named, the S4 facility. He described this elaborate base, right? 9 hidden hangar doors built right into a mountain. Well, analysts looked at Soviet satellite photos from 1988, the exact time he said he was there, and what did they find? Nothing. Just a barren, dry lake. No roads, no power lines, and definitely not the huge mounds of dirt you'd get from digging a massive underground base. And finally, there's Lazar himself. He cleverly mixed some real, verifiable details with a totally fake background. Yeah, he knew about the secret Janet airline that flies employees out there, and he even described a specific hand scanner they used. Those were real. But his supposed master's degrees from MIT and Caltech? There's absolutely no record of them. None. It looks like he was probably a technician who just blew up his own importance using some local secrets he'd heard.
So when you look at it, Lazar's specific claims about S4 and element 115 just don't hold up, suggesting his story was less of a whistleblow and more of a masterful decoy.